Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In front of me on the table we have a Samsung unit model QN75QN85AAF. We're going to be going over some of the things that you can do if your TV is not getting power. The first thing that we would suggest is making sure that the power cable itself is plugged in securely to the back of the TV. If you're using a power strip or a surge protector, to make sure that those are on and functioning properly. We're also going to have a video down below in the description on how to do a flashlight test to make sure that your backlights are displaying properly. So if you've gone through all of these different troubleshooting techniques and you're still not getting anywhere with your TV and you feel like you need to do a board swap, what we would suggest doing first is the power supply board. We're going to have a short video here highlighting exactly how to get that out of your TV. For the power supply board, the first step is going to be to get these two plugs out and away from the power supply. We're going to want to squeeze down on both sides of these little orange tabs here, which then lets the plug come out from the power supply. So I want to get those depressed and it slides right out. Same thing with this guy. Squeeze the two sides, very gently walk it away from the power supply, and that comes right out. There is a lock right here. We are going to want to very gently lift up on the board, just enough for it to slide up over that, and then the whole board should just slide out. So we do want to be very gentle with this. We don't want to cause any damage to the board, but we want to very gently lift it up over that lock, and give it a little bit of pressure, and the whole thing slides out, and that is the power supply board. The next board that we would suggest trying to restore power to your TV is the main board. We're going to have another short video here on exactly how to get that out of the television as well. So the first step for the main board here, we're going to want to get all of these plugs and clips away. So first we're going to get our fingernail up underneath this guy, pop it up. We should just be able to walk that right out of there. This one's going to have two little pieces on the side that we want to pinch. And we just want to slowly walk that away from the board. You do see it kind of came out here at an angle. Pop it back in, try one more time. This guy is going to be similar to this one here. We are going to just pop up the flap with our fingernail. And that ribbon cable should just come right out of there. Do be careful with these, we don't want to damage them. So this clip right here, we're going to want to depress with our thumbnail. This should just come right away from the main board. This clip right here is going to be a similar style to this one. We're going to want to push down on those clips on the right and left side, and then slowly walk that out away from the main board. This ribbon cable connection is going to be similar to these two. We just want to pop it up with our fingernail, and then we want to walk that out of there. So these screwless Samsung models aren't going to have any screws actually in the main board itself. There is a small nubbin right here that we're going to want to very, very gently bend up on the main board to where the main board can pass over that little bump. And we're going to want to slide the whole thing out to where all the clips are loose, and that is your main board. All right, well, hopefully swapping out one or both of these boards has restored power to your TV. We are going to have a link down below in the description to a subreddit that you can go to if you have any more questions. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook.